To begin, open your Windows search bar and type Chrome. Select Google Chrome from the search results to launch the browser. Once Chrome is open, locate the 3 vertical dots in the top right corner of the window and click on them. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings. In the Settings menu, navigate to the Privacy and Security section, which is usually found on the left sidebar. On the right pane you will see an option labeled Safe Browsing. Click on this option to access its settings. Within the Safe Browsing section, you will find different protection levels. To allow the opening of non-secure websites, you need to select the option that says No Protection. After making this selection, Google Chrome will allow you to access websites that use HTTP rather than the more secure HTTPS protocol. It is important to note that if Standard Protection or Enhanced Protection were previously selected, you would have been unable to access such sites. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.